am Tejaswini Tripathi from group number 2 Jeshtha, and I am here today to explain you about the company Bajaj Consumer Durables. Now, my friend Ashifa will explain you about consumer durables, Bajaj Electricals and major segments.
Bajaj Electricals is one of the biggest manufacturer of consumer durables in India. Before we move further, I would just like to explain about consumer durables. Consumer durables are the consumer products which you do not buy frequently, as they are made to last for an extended period of time. As consumer durable market is growing at an astounding rate, as by 2017 it is estimated to reach up to 1 trillion, and by 2020 it is estimated to reach up to 3 trillion mark. The company assigned to us is Bajaj, and we are presenting on consumer durable sectors of Bajaj. The Bajaj Group is an Indian multinational conglomerate company, and Bajaj Electricals falls under consumer durable sector. And Bajaj Electricals mostly focuses on home appliances products and houseware products. Bajaj Electrical made its segments on electrical appliances, fans, lighting and consumer durables. Bajaj Electricals not only deals with electronics but also they have major market segment such as telecommunication companies. It has Telecommunication Private Limited, which majorly deals with transport, communications and storage facilities. Defense and aviation entities, it has Bajaj Aviation Private Limited. And as in construction companies, it has Bajaj Construction Private Limited, which mainly manufacture plastic products. And lastly, they have public entities. It includes Bajaj Allianz Financial Distribution Limited, Bajaj Auto Limited, Bajaj Financial Solution Limited, Bajaj Corporation Cosmetics, Bajaj Holdings and Investment Limited, Bajaj Venture Limited, and etc.
Ashifa, Bajaj produces a various range of products which we use in our day-to-day life. It produces electric products like fans and lights that we use in our homes. Then it also produces electrical gadgets which we use in our kitchen appliances. Then it also produces irons, then electric cookers, etc. A range of various products. There are not only Bajaj Electricals, but in India there are 9 major brands that people buy product from. So they are Bajaj Electricals, then TTK India Limited, Philips India Limited, then Prestige India Limited, then Havells, and followed by CGCAL, Godrej India Limited, and Hitachi. The major market share is taken by Philips India Limited with 45.8% and followed by Bajaj Electricals with 41.0%. Now let's move towards the growth potential and profit potential of Bajaj Consumer Durables. According to Sri Sekhar Bajaj, most of the consumer durable products are sold in the rural market. The major consumer durable products, the major revenue comes from the electrical and engineering procurements that is produced by Bajaj Electricals. Company have given a 25% of per annum revenue in the past 5 years. In 2015, there was a loss for the company, but it again rise. And in the year 2019, it has reached around 7,000 crore of revenue. Then due to this COVID scenario that is going in the economy, the pre-COVID scenario was quite well. While in the last month, in the month of May, the company have said that their revenue have increased to 65% post-COVID scenario. Now let's go towards the Gartner's quadrant, or also known as magical quadrant, which shows the graphical positioning of the service provider within the same category. The x-axis shows the completeness of the vision and the y-axis shows the ability to execute. there are 4 quadrants in the Gartner's quadrant. First quadrant is shows the a leader in that category. The second quadrant shows the challengers. The third quadrant shows the niche players, and the fourth quadrant shows the visionaries. So as we can see in our Gartner's quadrant, Philips India Limited and Bajaj Electricals Limited are the leaders in selling the consumer durable products, and Havells with 14% of market share is in the visionaries region, and brands like Hitachi, CGCEL and Blue Star, Whirlpool India, they are in the niche players. They are the niche players according to the Gartner's quadrant, and the Godrej Consumers India Limited comes in the leaders quadrant. Now we have discussed everything about the consumer durables and the products of Bajaj India Limited. Its market share, starting from its revenue, market share, its product categories, etc. That's all for now. Thank you.